Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips so if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on CUBOT P80. So if you have a problem to find your Bluetooth gadget, always start from the simplest way, so restart the Bluetooth connection, just switch it off and switch it on again. You can also try to restart your phone. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated fire mode, and how to activate it you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory shall be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's open the settings, then go to the system and select rested options. Tap on the Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth, tap on the rested settings button, configure your pattern and tap on this button again. After that, look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update the system, so go to the system update and click on the check for update button if you haven't installed it and check for your device again. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.